Welcome to Educator Academy. So guys, in this video we will sum the two numbers using pointer. So the question given here is write a C++ program that takes two number as an input from user. So guys, first of all we have to take two number from user. Let's number 1 and take this number from user. So take this output, enter number 1. So we will taking this number from user and see in number 1, and the same here we will take two number from user, so number 2 is also here. So take this number again, so number 2, see in number 2. So the half part is solved in here. So the next part is your program should add these two numbers using pointer. So add these numbers using pointer. So first you have to make this pointer. So let's say making pointer int pointer g and pointer h. We have take two pointer, and by using this pointer we will, so first of all the sum is 0, sum is equal to 0. So we have make these two pointer, and these two pointer will address in this sum. So let's make g is equal to the address of number 1, and in the same way h is equal to number 2, address of number 2. So we address of number 2. So this is make a pointer. So now we will do the sum. So the sum formula, we will make the sum formula. So sum is equal to the sum of two pointers, as we have saved this our addresses in pointer. So make the sum of these two pointer and see out these two pointer as equal to the sum. So sum is equal to sum. So now and L. So this is our whole program according to the question given. So let's run this program. As we run the program, so let's enter the number. I have entered 4 and 5. So the sum is 9. So firstly we enter number 1 is 4 and the number 2 is 5, then the sum is 9. So guys, hope so you will learn about pointers in different way. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.